Hi guys, come with me as I tour our latest project. It is right here in the heart of Karen. It's beautiful. As you're going to see, it's a structure, it's already done, but the client specifically wanted a touch of fine urban. So as you walk in, you're going to see this extension of the entry porch. It's very high, it's beautiful, but we feel like we can do better with this space. So we're going to do more lighting, something that when you come in here as a guest, and even as you're home, you feel like, wow, I'm in a luxurious place. This is our parking area. You have 2 parking spaces on this side and 2 more on the other side. So a total of 4 parking spaces, and if you have more, you could use this entry porch as a parking space for your most used car. From the moment you get here, you're going to see this really massive entrance. Let me just show you. The door is really big. We have these glass partitions where natural light can come in. We're still going to retain the light that gets in. Our vision is to make this home a smart home. So in that case, we're going to probably have our monitor here where we're going to make the curtains smart, the lights smart, and everything that you can think of in a smart home, we're going to have it here. So to your left, walk with me. This is ideally the TV room. We are going to maintain it as it is, but we are going to probably make this place soundproof, make it a fully furnished entertainment room. We're going to have the sound system, the massive TV here just for your family to come and enjoy and get entertained. It's just going to be anything that you can think of in an entertainment room. So come with me. To your right, you're going to meet the first bedroom, which is the guest bedroom. Ample light is coming into this room, as you can see. It also has a very beautiful view of the garden. The ceiling is a bit too low. We plan to take the gypsum higher so we can have a high ceiling. Here you can see the TV wall, so we're going to install a TV right here. That is where your headboard is going to be. We'll do a nice theme for this room. As you walk in, this is your bathroom. To your left, you have the shower cubicle, the lighting. When you walk into the toilet, there's some water leakage over here, some mold growing. So we are going to fix that, probably seal these windows tighter, just to make sure that we don't have more of this. Now this is a massive entryway. It's beautiful, but we feel like we can make it more pleasing, you know. Would love to do like a marble finish just to give that modern feel in this home, because it's obviously what you see when you walk in, so your guests see this when they walk in. Before we continue, on your left, this is the common bathroom. You're going to be met by this beautiful large mirror, a sink, and a toilet. We're going to do like a beautiful light fixture in here and just final touches in this bathroom just to make it cozy. So now, as we were saying, this entryway has this massive continuous glass that overlooks this garden. It's beautiful, but we have a vision of putting a water fixture, maybe let's say a beautiful fountain, where when you're walking through this pathway, you're going to enjoy maybe the water falling and something beautiful. This is the home office. It is the next room after the cloakroom. So we want to do more cabinetry in this room, a desk, its own chairs, and a cozy couch where you can host somebody if you're having a meeting in this room. We want to make sure that other than the light coming in, you enjoy the beauty that is happening outside. So we have a tree over there. We feel like we can do something better for that area. Probably plant another tree or do another fixture, a sculpture or something more aesthetically pleasing. Guys, feel free to give us ideas of what you think you'd put in here, or something you'd enjoy looking at when you're working in your office. As you continue to walk through this entryway, you're met by this concrete wall. We feel like if we do the marble fill here, it doesn't go with this wall. So we're going to probably do something different here that goes with the whole marble finish that we're going to be doing here. So come with me to a more exciting area of this house. The kitchen. As you can see, it's a modern kitchen. It's white, it's beautiful, but would love to bring a touch of fine urban in this kitchen. Something more luxurious, something more aesthetically pleasing, and all those beautiful things that you know us for. So in this kitchen, we'd love to do better lighting, a bit warm. So we're going to do some nice lightings for this island going on over here. As you can see, this white is too much. We would love to play around with colors. But interesting enough, we have another extension of the kitchen here. This is more of your functional kitchen where you do most of your cooking. The cookers are inbuilt. Probably add more lighting over here. To your left, this is the door that opens to the staff quarters. We're going to look at that later. Come with me as we explore the rest of the living room. Now, right next to the kitchen, we have the dining area. Would love to add a touch of fine urban on this wall, something more modern. So definitely we are going to be working on this. Add a big dining table with beautiful chairs. As you can see, this is a double volume room. So we're going to do a really, really big and beautiful chandelier that drops all the way and makes you feel warm and you're like in an expensive place. To the extension of this is your living room. Now, our client feels like this wall is a bit too plain. So again, we're going to play around with art, a more modern fireplace. Remember guys, I told you from the entryway, even as your guests walk in, they're going to see this. Also in your living room, as you're seated with your family or you're hosting your guests, you can also have a glimpse of this beautiful feature going on here. Come with me to your backyard. We love this space. We love spaces that connect to our indoors and give you more of an indoor-outdoor feeling. So we are excited to play with this area. We plan to do an outdoor dining table here with nice chairs, maybe a swinging chair at the corner and another couch here, just to give it that warm feeling when you're here on a Saturday or Sunday afternoon with your family, as you're watching your kids swim at the pool. As you come to the pool area, we plan to extend this part of the concrete maybe closer up until here. So you have space to do some sunbeds for you to just relax after swimming. Your nice gazebo in that corner. We have your pool bar where you can host your people for drinks as others are swimming. So we love the size of this pool bar. As you come in, we have, again, this TV wall where we feel like we could play around with it and make it more, aesthetically pleasing. We would maintain this fireplace into a natural fireplace. As you can see here, we have cabinetry. So we might maintain this color. On this side, we have this glass cabinetry. Of course, we are definitely going to do strip lights and just some nice lights also under the cabinetry. We'll do a nice small fridge just for your drinks and maybe your snacks in this room. More lighting on this gypsum. 2 chandeliers or 1 big chandelier Also, this gypsum is also too low, so we'd love to take it a bit higher, just so you have more room in this room. Now, let me tell you something exciting. So our lead designer, Mr. Cleophas Nyagaka, he had this brilliant idea where we could extend this pool bar to the upstairs. Can you imagine that? So we're going to extend more room. We'll have like a staircase on that side where you can walk up here, and we can have more like a lounge up there and a fire pit, some beautiful lighting. So also guys, how gassed is this? Upstairs where we have the lounge, we're also going to have like a massage room where you can have your private massage with your better half or even just your kids, but it's private as you enjoy the scenery of Karen. So this is our steam room. You can have a steam bath here, you can just chill here after the pool. This is a changing room, a really big mirror. So we'll do more lighting, better brackets to hold your towels. The bathroom will maintain as it is and do better plumbing in this bathroom. To my right is something I'd shown you earlier. This is your staff quarters, very big. So we'd love to fix this place better. The door, as you can see, we'd love to do a better door here. And as you walk through, this is supposed to be like a common sink where they can do laundry or everything. We'll do better tiling in this area, clean it up, make it more accommodative. That is one of the rooms. Ample space if you ask me, enough lighting. It is also en suite, so it has its own toilet and bathroom. And this is the second room. So we have enough space to play with. And as you walk through here, it connects back to your entry porch. So as you can see, they've tried to do more greenery and the plants, and we love it. So here we want to do more lightings under these palm trees just to give the home a more, you know, a comfortable feel and a beautiful feel. We love this fixture here. So all we could add here is some lighting for the night feel, where it's still aesthetically pleasing and you can enjoy and appreciate the plants going on in this place. Now guys, I want to show you the upstairs. It's exciting, so come along with me. So guys, as you walk up, you'll appreciate the light that's coming in. So it's very important that our outside looks beautiful. On to my right is the first bedroom. Come with me. Again, you'll see the continuity of the low ceilings. We'll push them back, as mentioned earlier. A nice chandelier here will make this place beautiful. This is our main wall because the headboard is going to be here. Would love to play with this wall, probably either with color and the lights, make this room feel warm and cozy. And again, to remind you guys, our plan is to make this home a smart home. So we're going to have our curtain railings here that are automated and can be controlled from a closer range to the bed. This is our TV wall. We'll do a nice TV here. As you enter here, this is the bathroom. So we'd love to do better lighting in this area. To your right, you have the shower cubicle. So come with me to the next bedroom. It's quite similar with the other bedroom. So what we want to do as Fine Urban is personalize this space to the client's feel. So each room is going to have its own theme. For whoever is going to be in this room, we're going to involve them in a few ideas of what they love so we can deliver to them exactly what they envision. The bathroom design and layout is the same. So we also do the same, just a bit different. So again, this main pathways or the landing area, we are going to do the different marble feel, but what you're going to do is maintain the wood feel, especially in the rooms, because Karen is known to be a cold area. So what you're going to do is the rooms are still going to remain warm with a wooden feel, but the most common areas, we're going to have a marble finish for the modern feel. This is the third bedroom. It has more lighting and has a view of our interesting water feature over there. So we are still going to do the smart curtains, a nice TV here, a nice bed, nice lighting. Again, same thing. It just needs a touch of better lighting and better fixtures just to make this bathroom look more modern. Remember guys, when we were downstairs and I told you we're going to do a chandelier, this is where you're going to see it best from. It's going to be really massive. It's going to come from here and trickle down all the way down. So I'm sure you can't wait for that because I can't wait for it. Also, these walls are too plain. We need to do something here. So we'll do more of artwork that resonates with our clients and what's going on with the rest of the place. We'll do more artwork on that side and this side, maybe like a wall with hanging shelves and something like that. So now welcome to the master bedroom. So our clients feel like this room is a bit tight, and so do we. So this is supposed to be our main wall where you place the bed. And as you can see, there's no walk-in closet per se. And our lead designer had a brilliant idea again. As you can see, this is an empty space. It's not used. And our idea is to transform this space into the client's walk-in closet. That is amazing because what you're going to do is cabinetry on this side and cabinetry on this side. And this area, we're going to maintain the natural light coming in. So you're going to have a walk-in closet with natural light coming from the top. Guys, how cool is that? There's nothing cooler than that. Come on. So this is the entrance to your bathroom. We have a bathtub here. I would love to work on this and give it a more modern feel. Probably a jacuzzi for the client to just chill and have a good time with their partner. As you walk it through here, we have a his and hers sink. The shower cubicles we shall maintain. We'll just add a few touches of fine urban here, as well as the bathroom. This is all the cabinetry you get. So this is what we're trying to add onto. Our client is a fashionable person. They have a lot of clothes, a lot of shoes, and this definitely cannot be enough. So that is why we entertained the idea of having the outside place to complement this place. So we have more storage space for this room. So this is the balcony to your master bedroom. The views are impressive. You have a view of your pool bar, your gym area, your massage place, and your kids' playground, your nice gazebo in that corner. So guys, we've come to the end of this tour. I hope it was entertaining for you. This is a very new project. We're also entertaining more and more ideas from all our designers. Feel free to give us opinions and ideas that you have of what you would put where in this room, and we'll be sure to look at that. Until next time, it's your host, Bernice Nuna. Bye.